This is the production base of Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor, a manufacturing center full of innovation and efficiency. Today, we will witness how ABB intelligent stamping technology empowers automobile manufacturing. In this stamping production line, ABB automation technology has injected unprecedented power into Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor. The efficient, precise, and stable stamping equipment ensures that every auto part meets the world's top standards. With its excellent flexibility and precision, ABB robots take over the key links in the stamping process. From raw material delivery to finished product handling, every step is smooth and efficient. The advanced digital management system is one of the core elements of this production line. ABB intelligent monitoring and data analysis technology tracks every production link in real time, helping Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor achieve efficient production and quality control. This stamping production line not only pursues speed, but also focuses on quality. Every auto part that leaves the factory has gone through a rigorous stamping process to ensure the structural firmness and exquisite appearance. From the door to the chassis, the birth of each part is inseparable from the strong support of this intelligent stamping production line, laying a solid foundation for vehicle manufacturing. This is not only a production line, but also a model of intelligent manufacturing. The addition of ABB technology allows Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor to always maintain its leading position in the industry competition. Behind every Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor is the combination of ABB automation technology and lean manufacturing concept. Technology leads the future and quality creates brilliance. Together, with Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor, we will create a new era of intelligent manufacturing and make future travel more efficient, environmentally friendly, and intelligent.